Hello, hello. Good day, everyone. So, I guess why you are here because you get interest about the business. So, you're asking also maybe you have in mind what is really um meaning of drop shipping or a sitaw business. So I'm gonna go deeper for the business proposal about sitaw for you to understand what is really mean about the business or the drop shipping business concept. So right now let's go to ask what is drop shipping. So I heard drop shipping a lot of times but I really don't know um, kung ano yung real meaning. Pag, paano siya i-explain? Paano siya, yeah, ganun. So, my presentation tells here that it is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from the third party, often a wholesaler or a manufacturer, and it has shipped directly to the customer. This means that the retailer never actually sees or handle the product. So, for example, when we are having yung business na sari-sari store, 'di ba tayo yung bumibili, tayo yung nag-a-arrange, tayo yung nag-i-inventory, tayo yung nagdi-display, and tayo yung nagbibigay ng prices, and then yung paano yung tubo, ganon. Pero sa dropshipping, we have our own store. Yes, correct. We have our own store. We have our own product. Pero, di natin actually nakikita yung product or nahahawakan man lang yung mga product natin. Kasi tayo yung third party, no? Tayo yung nagbebenta pero wala sa atin yung product. So, kagaya na lang ng mga Shopee or Lazada, yung ibang store dyan sa Shopee or Lazada, hindi sila humahawak ng item. Yung iba is nagre-resell lang. Oo. So, ganito. Pero, yung sa Shopee and sa Lazada is nationwide lang dito sa Philippines. Pero, itong sa Sitaw is worldwide or international siya. So, yun yung process ng drop shipping. So, ma tayo yung nagbebenta, tayo yung nagdi-display, 'pag may bumili, tayo yung magpa-process, of course, kasi tayo yung store, eh. Tayo yung magpa-process, pagkatapos natin ma-process, yung sitaw mismo yung physically process, mag-package, yung packaging, yung, delivery, yung collecting the money, sila na yun lahat, yung sitaw na maghihintay na lang tayo ng update through the platform kung ano ng status ng product or yeah, yung item na binili sa atin. So makikita natin yun doon sa platform mismo ni Sitaw. So what is Sitaw? So Sitaw is an online cross-border e-commerce platform. Sitaw Philippines was established on October 4, 2022. So magto 2 years pa lang siya this year, October. So kung scam pa 'to, sabi ng iba scam daw kasi money scheme din 'yan, yung naglalagay ka tapos tutubo. Depende 'yun, kasi 'yun totoong money scheme after few days mawawala talaga money mo and never expect, yes, makaka-withdraw ka for few days, pero I really don't know if mabalik yung kapital mo kasi ako na ganyan na ako before and naglagay ako ng 5K pero after 1 or 2 days naka-withdraw ako one time and after the other day nawala na yung platform nila. So hindi gano'n si Sitaw kasi yung Sitaw is drop shipping. Like what I said, it has a physical store. Is a physical store na nagpa-process, tayo lang yung nagdi-display, tayo yung nagkakapital, sila yung prepare. Sila yung my product. Okay? And Sitaw has been favored by users since its establishment. And Sitaw also has offices in the Philippines, Singapore, and Hong Kong, effectively integrating global high quality resources to share with you. So it's still expanding pa. But good thing they have an office here in the Philippines. So actually my cousin mentioned when he will like go back after work, makatapos ng magsakay siya sa barko, magtatrabaho daw siya sa Sitaw, sa office. Kasi ayaw niya muna po daw sasakay ng barko kasi mas malaki pa yung kita niya dito sa Sitaw kasi yung sa sahod niya. So yun yung sabi niya. Okay, next. And how and when did I started? How I started. So currently I work as a general virtual assistant and in an agency, of course, not to the client, in an agency. So, one of our services sa agency namin is drop shipping. So, I got curious what really means about drop shipping. So, gusto kong malaman yung ganung business kasi marami nang nagsasabi na totoo. So, ganun. So, I do my research about drop shipping sa YouTube and sa internet. And then yung na-explain po ni Chinkitan and then yung si Dominic Roque, yung jowa ni Bea Alonso. So, isa sila yung sa mga nakita ko sa YouTube and it's actually working and legit, sabi nila. So, I tried. When they mentioned about the word sitaw, I remember my cousin. Na few months ago, he mentioned about the legitimacy of sitaw platform. So, wala lang, hindi ko lang pinansin yun kasi, di yan totoo, scam yan, yan. Pero few months na, palagi pa rin siyang nagpo-post na thank you sitaw, ganito, um, pinapagaan mo buhay ko, gano'n, gano'n, sabi niya. Tapos, I got curious, so I thought few days lang mawawala na, 'di ba? Yun yung thinking natin. Pero no, it's a drop shipping method, it's a drop shipping business talaga siya. So yung my physical store, my physical office, so yeah, it's actually legit. And when? Actually, bago lang. Latest lang. So, last April 10, nag-start ako. Nag-sign up ako, nag-register ako, nag-put up ako ng store ko sa Sitaw, April 10, and I put fund like 4K, and first day wala pang umorder, like 10, wala talaga. So, kasi palagi ko chine-check if may order, ganun, ganun. Kasi sabi niya may order daw, agad-agad. Tapos sabi ko na, wala pa man kuya, sana maghintay ka lang. Patience, of course. We need to have of patience. Second day, may order na, dalawa. So, sobrang happy ko, na-process ko agad, pinadali ko, ganun, ganun. Tapos, may status agad na confirm na pick up na, ganun, ganun. So, after another 2 days, like April 12 na, sumulhot na yung maraming orders, like biglang 21 orders agad kasi from every time to time that day ha, April 12. Marami talagang orders, 21. So, yung 4K ko hindi talaga kasya kasi like mga 6 to 8 orders lang yung process mo sa ganung account, sa ganung amount. So, yun. So, mas nag-inganyo ako mag-put pa ng more na ganun, puhunan. Tas within that day, na-process ko lahat and hindi pa rin nagkasya kasi may mga dumadating pa kasi within that day and the next day and the next day and the next day, may dumadating pa. So, hindi ko talaga na-process. Yun yung day lang, last April 12. So, kinount ko. Sabi niya, 18 days lang, maximum 20 days, makukuha mo na daw yung capital with the interest. So, counting ko April 12, so dapat papasok na siya ng 30. So, April 30. Hindi ko man na-expect 28 pa lang, may isang dumating na nabalik na. 29, may mga 5. So, mas na-happy ako. 28, nabalik na talaga yung 4 plus ko, gano'n. And then yung hinihintay ko na lang is ngayong April, no, ngayong May 3. Kasi yun yung 12 na nag-process ako sa lahat, yung last ko na nilagay. So, good thing naman, dumating naman until now, may mga dumadating yung amount na nasa wallet ko from 99 pesos yung natira, no, naging 4,000, gano'n. Kusa siya mabating 6,000 na ngayon, tapos siguro bukas maging 10 na 'to, or hindi natin alam kailan yung specific time, pero sure na dadating. Kasi yung expectation ko talaga 30 lang yung sa 4, pero 28, 29 dumating na, 'di ba? So yun. And why drop shipping is best because no need to stock inventory, no need to worry for the packaging and shipping. So sila na yung magpa-package, package and ship. Sila na din yung mag-collect. No need to collect from the buyer. So and also you can choose your own markup. So from Sitaw, they have like 7 to 12% markup. And ikaw yung mag-choose anong markup na pipiliin mo. May explanation din 'yan kung ano yung mas best na pipiliin mo 'pag starting ka pa. Oo. So, you need to ask me. If you really want to be my affiliate, you can ask me also. And yun. So, yun hindi yung kagaya ng ibang affiliate marketing na sila yung magbibigay sa'yo ng percentage, 'no. May option si Sitaw, ikaw yung pipili. So next is advantage of dropshipping. Dropshipping model is low capital, easy to start, and less hassle. Easy to start because you need to like low capital, walang minimum amount, okay? So easy to start because just need to register you can make your own shop and less hassle. Yun na. Maglalagay ka na lang ng product sa store mo and then that's it. Maghihintay ka na ng mga order sa'yo. Low maintenance, no capital expenditure or CAPEX or OPEX, operational expenditure. Hindi ka na magbabayad ng tubig, suga, o ng ilaw, suga pa, ng ilaw, ng mga empleyado or whatever dyan ng mga gamit na bibilihin for the processing. And then next is high earnings. High earnings is the limit. Why I say sky is the limit? Because you can earn as much as you want. Magdepende yan sa capital mo. If di man siguro pwede if 1,000 lang yung ilagay mo tapos gusto mo agad ng 12% na capital, no, hindi ganon. Hindi ganon yung proseso dito. So, yon. Next is what makes a sitaw unique. Sitaw makes unique because it's a free registration. Nung nasalihan ko na-inquire ko na dropshipping, may subscription fee sila na 5 to 10,000, which is ayoko nun. So, dito ako sa free registration. And also, Sita will do the marketing strategy for you. And also, no need to find logistics. Logistics means the career, no, like LBC, GNT, whatever. And also, for sure, the guaranteed profit. So, after 18 to 20 days, I will guarantee that it will go back to your wallet, go back to your wallet, the capital, and the interest of course. If hindi mo yun kukunin, yung interest mo magiging mag-interest pa. Yung sasabi nila, yung sa mga utang, anak ng anak, yung anak ng anak. Yun yung mangyayari pag pinupundo mo lang lahat. And of course, patience is a virtue. So I think that's for now. And thank you for watching. If you really want to be my affiliate and want to um, want more or know more about Sitaw, you can use my referral code on the screen. And I really do appreciate for more queries you have. Malalaman naman din namin yan if nag-avail or ginamit nyo yung account namin or yung referral code namin. So, thank you. See you in the next video.